Hello, how are you all viewers? Hope you all are well. Today we are making chicken broth which will be very tasty. Before starting the recipe, I have a small request that if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And be sure to press the bell icon button. This will keep you notified of my new videos, and also be sure to like our Facebook page. Let's start the recipe. First of all, we have taken a clean pan to make chicken broth. We will put 2 tablespoons of oil in it. You can add ghee if you want. We will add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. We will not cook it for long time. We will cook it until light golden color. Ginger garlic paste has come in light golden color, so we do not overcook it. Now we will add little water to it so that the paste becomes soft. So now we will cover it and cook it for 2 minutes. Now we will add chicken to it. I have 200 grams of chicken. You can have less or more chicken as per your taste. We will cook it on medium-low heat until the color of the chicken turns white. Our chicken is roasted very well. The purpose of roasting it with ginger garlic paste was to remove the special smell inside the chicken. We will add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a little turmeric just for color. Fry the chicken with spices for a minute. Now our chicken is fried very well. Now add enough water to the chicken so that the chicken is well dipped. Cover the water and cook the chicken until the chicken is cooked well and the water in it dries up. We check the chicken. Our chicken is perfectly cooked. I am looking at it by putting a knife in it. The chicken is breaking easily and the water has also dried up. Now we will add 4 glasses of water in it. If you want, you can also boneless the whole chicken. But I will leave only the leg piece and boneless the rest. I have taken the spices: salt 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, chicken powder 1 teaspoon and turmeric 1/4 teaspoon. Now put all the spices inside the chicken. Salt and pepper can be more or less as you like. Now by adding all the spices we will mix it well. Now on high flame we will give it a boil. The chicken is nicely cooked. Now the chicken we had boneless, put all in it. So if you want to serve it thin like this, you can check the salt and serve it. Now I check the salt in it. I find the salt just perfect. If you feel less, then you can add more. Now we will make a nice paste by adding 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 3 tablespoons of water to thicken the broth a little. I will put half now and save half. We will add as much as we want to keep our soup thick. With a light hand we will mix the corn flour into the broth. Apart from this, there are other broths videos on my channel, so you will find them on my channel. Now we will put the rest of the mixture in the soup and we will cook it for 10 minutes and keep moving the spoon constantly so that our soup does not burn from the bottom and thickens inside it. Let's cook the soup for 10 minutes and serve it to the final look. Our chicken broth is ready. I will show you its texture. See, it has a slightly thick. Not very much. Now I have served it with boiled eggs. You can skip it if you want, and I have served the spices with it. In spices, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon and salt 1/2 teaspoon. Mix these 3 things. When you serve the broth hot, sprinkle a little of this on top. This gives it a very good taste. So you have to tell me in the comments box how you like this simple recipe. If you like it, then share it with your family and friend. Be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. What will happen is that you will be notified of my upcoming videos. Along with this, be sure to like our Facebook page. I will appear in front of you with a new video. Goodbye.